As I was searching for a good site that will pay all my subscribers, and I found this one, and this one is called zenora.app. Zenora.app. I don't know whether some of you have heard about this particular website. And this website claimed that they will pay you 128,000 in 7 days. And I was like, wow. Wow. So I don't know how they are going to achieve this in 127,000 in just 7 days. I don't know how this is going to be, but let's just go together and see what they are offering and how they are going to achieve this particular goal. And in this website, there are high participants, about 3,937 participants, and they claim that they have paid out 27,246,000. Okay. On Nigeria's biggest growing networking and investment platform, that if you want to be part of this website, you need to pay 1,000 naira to start. Okay, think about a platform that keeps paying without the possibility of it ever crashing. That is Zenora. I don't know yet. Features of Zenora. Okay, simplicity. Zenora is one of the easiest way to make legit money online. You can earn from both networking and investments. Affordable. Lowest risk for the highest reward. You can earn up to 128,000 in just 7 days with just 1,000 naira. Okay, let's go. Secure. On Zenora, there is no exit scam. No one can run away with your money, even if they are wanted to. This is getting interesting. How it works, which is matrix. The Zenora matrix is a user acquisition program that rewards users for their networking activities. There are 8 matrix stages on Zenora, and every member starts from M1 and keep upgrading till they reach M7. Okay. Matrix 1 is 24 hours. You pay 1,000 naira fee and the reward is 2,000 naira. Okay. This is like Ponzi. Yes, it's like Ponzi. Let's keep going. Matrix 2, 24 hour, 2,000 naira, you get 4,000 naira. Matrix 3, you pay 4,000 naira fee and get 8,000 naira reward. Matrix 4, you pay 24. Matrix 4, you pay 8,000 naira fee and get 16,000 reward. Okay, this money, I want to ask, this money, is it that they will match 2 people to pay you the 16,000 naira? We are still going. Okay, we are learning. Matrix 5, you pay 16,000 naira fee and you get reward of 32,000 naira reward. Matrix 6, and all these things happen in 24 hours. Matrix 6, you pay 32,000 naira and get 64,000 naira. In Matrix 7, which is the final stage, you pay 64,000 naira and you get reward of 128,000. Okay, what happens after Matrix 7? You will simply start or continue on the Zenora investment program, where you can earn 30% profit in just 15 days. Join now. Okay, Zenora investment. They have investment. This is the investment. The Zenora investment is multi-faceted trading program that rewards Zenora members with up to 30% return on their investment in 15 days. We invest in different income earning opportunities to generate maximum return for our members. Okay. Forex trading. They do forex trading also. That's investment minimal risk. Okay, this one, forex trading, is minimal risk, which is okay. Football betting, high risk. Crypto trading, moderate risk. Binary options, high risk. Check out what is happening on Zenora. Last 30 transaction on Zenora. Victor, Thursday, Matrix 0, paid 1,000 naira. on 9th of May. Okay, those people are the people that pay money to get to matric 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Create an account. Okay. Join a matrix. That's number 2 option. Join matrix 1 by paying 1,000 naira to receive 2,000 in 24 hours. Enjoy your life. Cash out, upgrade to higher matrix stage, and spread the good news. Frequently asking questions. What is Zenora? Okay, let's just go through all those things so that you understand the platform and everything about it. Zenora is a decentralized networking platform modeled after the blockchain-based contract, smart contracts that connect people from all over the world and open the limitless possibilities of the new economy financial system. Is Zenora safe? Zenora is a decentralized platform. No one is stored anywhere. No money is stored anywhere. Participants pay direct to each other through the pair network. There is no possibility for anyone running away with the money. How much does it cost to register with Zenora? It costs just to register with Zenora. Where can I go for help if I don't understand anything? Our support page contains all the questions you have. Please visit their support page. Want to earn 128,000 weekly? Join Zenora now. It costs just 1,000 naira. Okay? What is my take on this? What is my take on this? All right, what I will say for this particular investment or platform is that, like I always tell you, that before you can invest in any platform, make sure you do more research. Okay, so know everything about it. Don't just do it because you hear about the money they are calling. Okay, 128,000 in just 7 days. We read everything on how this money is going to come to you, and they say that nobody is running with your money. Nobody is running with your money. That's what they say here. And if you feel like giving it a try, that's okay for you. But the thing is that the 1K registration is not too big. Okay, that's my take. It's not too big too, because sometimes we spend more than that. So what I'm telling you is that if you feel like you will invest on this particular website, you can do. If you don't feel like, nobody is forcing you to do, but it's always good to give a try. So it's only the people that can take risk. If you think that 1,000 naira is nothing for you, you can go on and register with this website. Okay, if you think 1,000 naira is a big deal for you, just leave it. That's my take. I will not say that this website is scam or not scam until I test it. Like, I'm going straight to register right now with 1,000 naira. Okay, I'll keep updating you guys on my success on it if I have any success. Okay, so it's always good to try new things. This website is new, the way I'm seeing it. Okay, this website was created this year. So if you feel like joining them, the it's left for you. So the choice is yours. Thank you. Please make sure you smash that subscription button and turn on the notification bell so that once I keep uploading quality video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. And being the first person to watch simply means that you'll be the first person to make money with my strategies. Please always make sure you like this video and comment. Tell me how you feel, how you want me to serve you best. Okay, I'm here to help you because I want us to make this money together. All right, if you feel like you will join me to test it, the link to register is in the description below. Okay, join. Let's just see what they can offer to us, because what we do here is that we test new things, and if it's working, we tell others. Okay, that's what we do here. So thank you for watching. Thank you for everything. Thank you for your time. Peace out.